Morning, dear children. Welcome to the computer class. Now today we'll do the chapter working with Windows 7, and we'll see how to create a file, how to create a folder, how to rename it, save it and delete it. So let's get started. See, this is the desktop. When we switch on a computer, the first screen that we get is called the desktop, and these graphical images or the pictures on the desktop are called icons. Here we can see computer icon. Now if we double click on this computer icon, this window is open and it shows all the drives which are stored on the computer. Hard drive is the place where information is stored. So computer has this C drive, D drive, E drive. All the files and folders are stored in these drives. And so let's now see how to make a file and folder. If you right click on the blank area of the desktop, you get the option new, and then you click on this and then you will get the one more drop down menu. From here you can select the folder and a new folder will be created. Now you can give name to it, class 4, and then you press enter, so it will be named. Now if you want to rename it, you just right click using this middle finger, right click, and you will get this menu, and here you get the option to rename, to delete, to copy, to cut. Okay, different options are there, and from here you can rename it. So let's rename it to class 4. It will be highlighted. See, it will be, when we click on rename, it will be highlighted. So we can type, if we want to give another name, we can type on this, it will be given another name. Now if you want to add something after class 4, then we'll left click and then we'll give space, and then we can add whatever name we want to add. Suppose I want to write class 4 practice. Okay, then press enter key and then it will be renamed. Similarly, if you want to delete it, right click on this and we'll get the option delete, and then we press enter, then it will be deleted. After doing this delete, it will go to the recycle bin. Recycle bin is just like the dustbin. It contains all the trash. Whatever we delete goes to the recycle bin. And if we open the recycle bin, it contains all the deleted items. Now suppose if we want to delete the files or folders from this recycle bin also, then we can right click and delete. Then it will be deleted permanently from here. Okay. And one more option is there to permanently delete a file. Suppose we want to delete this folder permanently, we have to press shift and delete. Shift and delete. Then it will ask you, how are you sure you want to permanently delete this folder? If you click yes, it will be permanently deleted. It will not go to the recycle bin. It will go away from the recycle bin also. Okay. So now we have made this folder. Now to create a file, we can create a file from the application software. So application software, most important prominent application software is MS Word. So we click on start button, all programs. Here we go, then we go to accessories, and here we get Microsoft Office. So here we get the Microsoft Office Word. You click on this and then a blank Word document is opened. Now if we write something here, suppose my name is Tara. Okay, and now we want to save it. How will you save? this is the office button. You click here and this drop down list will come. You click on save and it will ask you the location. Where do you want to save? You can click automatically it is saving in the documents. You can click the location where you want to save. If you want to save it on the desktop, click here. Okay, or if you want to save it in any drive, you can click here, C drive or D drive. Now if I want to save it on the desktop, I'll select desktop. I'll give the name, file name. What should I write? Name, N-A-M-E, name. Okay, then it is save as type. It is a Word document file. Okay, and then click on save. So here, and then these are the control buttons. This is the minimize button. This is the restore. We can minimize it from this and then we can make it bigger, and from here it will be closed. So see it, this file, Word file, is saved on the desktop. Now we can rename it in a similar way. Right click on it and click on rename or delete, or whichever we want to say do, whatever option we want to do. If you want to copy, you click on copy and you can paste it anywhere where you want to paste. In C drive, if you want to paste, then go to computer icon, open C drive and you right click here and click on paste. Okay, so like this you can copy and paste also. So I hope you have understood. Now practice making a file and folder, save it, rename it, delete it, and happy learning. Bye bye.